Hi everyone, hello future self. So I'm planning to start a ceramic YouTube channel. Main focus is to discuss about the ceramics. So the purpose is just to document my progress as an artist. So the video's purpose is for the future me to see my journey as an artist, and also to share to the viewers, for those who are interested, to share about the kilns, to share about the apprenticeship program of the Kaneyama Yaki. So I'm an apprentice here in Kaneyama, Omori, Japan, the culture and the art. So this is my main goal, to show and to express to the viewers and to my future self. So enjoy. I will make more videos. Hope you enjoy this very raw, unedited videos that I'm going to make. But I hope you enjoy my art. So I'm an artist, planning to be a content creator. So let's see. Enjoy.